Tony. What a great video. I mean, today, it's all about fun and riding this ride.
Ride is incredible. I can tell you this, I have ridden it, and I've also ridden 3 other Rocky Mountain coasters, and I tell you, I love this coaster.
So, it's all about Twisted Timbers today, and I think it's a great addition for Kings Dominion. As Tony said, known for thrill, this ride fits right in with the whole atmosphere here. So we transformed Hurler, right? And putting a steel track over a wood frame, after studying a lot of different things, made a lot of sense to us. It's making it taller, it's getting more inertia, it's changing the profile, it's totally transforming that ride.
All right, ready? Who is ready to ride? I want to give loudest. One more time. All right. Please enjoy Twisted Timbers.
Rocco!
What?
Is that you with the flash?
No, I don't have flash.